Alright, we're gonna run our Piranha. Probably have intro somewhere on it. But nonetheless, did a speed run today on our Carbon 14. And gotta drain the battery. Sounds good. Like it. We haven't had this one out in quite some time. Now this one's got an upgrade. Oh, let's go over the upgrades. So we got oil-filled shocks, WL style. Got the Hobby Wing 1060 brushed, quick run, Dumbo RC controller. And we're running with the URGENEX 2S 50C Lipo. I don't know if I've ever even run a true. I think I've only run lithium ions mostly on this, so hopefully this thing is just hopping, because it's fun by itself. I can only imagine. We'll find out, right? Soon enough. Oh, the goats are out. Been pouring over here, so the grass is probably nice and wet. But steering has always been pretty bad on this, but it bombs around so pretty good. So it's quiet. Oh, that's fast. And the steering's in reverse. All right. I really gotta do something about this steering. Oh, maybe I turned it down some. Yeah, it's still not much better. Any suggestions from you guys? I think it's a full-size servo, so I'll probably do the similar that I did with the 10104001. Get these guys out of the way. These were a gate. Plenty of torque. Now we might upgrade this one. Yeah, no problems. Well, that was cool. Goats are hooting. They act like they don't ever get fed or nothing. Might hook up a lot better if it wasn't so wet, but thing's a monster though. It's always been fun. Drones and Dogs turned me on to this. First video I ever watched of his was this little guy here. I bought it, and he was right. This thing's awesome. He still uses his, I'm sure. Actually, I know. This thing just doesn't stop, man. So awesome. There's a brush. Yeah, suspension's crap when you stock one, but I only put like $10 shocks in it. I didn't put nothing special, and to be honest, I don't even know if there's fluid in it. And I did use, these are a little different tires, or a little squattier. I had the tires left over, again, that my XLF 650, the Sport 18. That thing's parts are in all my cars. This guy's got the tires that for the buggy, or the truck mode. Motors in my custom 12. I don't let anything go to waste. Wastefulness is not in the farmer's vocabulary. But anyways, it always lands on its feet too. You know, I wonder about that. Let's see. That was kind of it. I don't think this thing's got enough reverse to do the East Tactics challenge. We can try. Yeah, I gotta change my ear to see if I want to do that. Oh, that was rough. Anyways. This was our first truck. And then we got the HBX. You know, 'cause I gotta buy into, my daughter likes the HBX. I got the cheap one. Not that HBX aren't cheap, but these are way cheaper. PXToys 9200, I think it is. I got the Piranha version. It's a good rig though. I mean, you could even race it on my track, you know, other than the turning. I mean, you'd have to take the outside lane all the time. You see that turn radius isn't exactly good. But she handles the jump just fine. Whoa! And hey, no problem. No problem. I'm not sure about this. I made a little, I gotta screw it down. It's supposed to help with the transition, so if you're coming this way, I don't know, we'll see if it works. This is a whole work in progress. Talking to Exclusive about that. I need to make some pop-up jumps for getting some height, because these are all launchers. I don't have anything that really pops. So yeah, I think that I'll upgrade a servo on this someday. I probably won't put no money into it though. Like, it'll be a upgrade from a side grade kind of thing. Like if I ever get a better one for my 104. I screwed that up too. I was gonna try to be cool. I do dig this car though. A little night rip. Oh, I love that little jump. I just like them little curvies. Like when you jump and you got a little. Oh, I think we went flat. So that's it for that battery. I got a little extra juice out of it.